I work with weavers. I work with Indian tradition, Indian heritage, Indian textiles, Indian crafts. पता नहीं मुझे, I don't know, I am not a certified textile designer from any institute. I am a self-taught designer. पता नहीं मुझे ये डिज़ाइंस कहाँ से आ जाते हैं, कहाँ से ये थॉट प्रोसेस आता है, कहाँ से ये कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस आते हैं. I started at a very young age. My father used to have a small store where we used to sell matching blouse material, the basic mill-made 2x2 material. I was born in 1973. At the age of 10, 83, 84 में मैंने after school, evening 4 hours, spend time at the store. And that's where I learned about textiles. The textures, the colors, the different weaves. That was a high time for Indian textiles. एक पीक पे था वो टाइम पे जब ब्यूटीफुल साड़ीज बनती थी, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ट्रेडिशनल डिज़ाइन साड़ीज वीव होती थी, लेकिन उसमें ब्लाउज नहीं होता था. तो ईच एंड एवरी विमेन लेडी यूज टू गेट देयर साड़ी टू मैच अ ब्लाउज मटेरियल. एंड एज यू नो, अ मैचिंग सेंटर में कितने शेड्स रहते हैं? रेड में एक 200-250 होते हैं, ग्रीन के होते हैं, येलो के होते हैं. देर आर एन नंबर ऑफ कलर्स. सो माई फादर ट्रेन मी इन सच अ वे कि I look at the sari and I take out the right shade of the color which the customer is wanting. वो कलर में इतना ट्रेन हो गए थे हम. And then this, at that age, this an artist started growing in me, जिसके सामने एक 6 मीटर का, 6 यार्ड का एक कैनवास है, जिसके ऊपर I can do any kind of designs. I got fascinated by this concept of sari. And in the year of 1999, I opened my own store, a bigger store where again I started selling blouse material, different design blouse materials also, because it was a big store. I wanted to explore other than only the plain fabric. I went to weavers all over India in search of design fabrics, the concept of design blouses. Again I went back to weavers कि अब मुझे थान बनवाना है, क्योंकि आपकी साड़ी में मुझे जैसा पल्लू बच जाता है उसका वेस्टेज होता है. तो आई वुड लाइक टू गिव माई कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस लिटिल इनपुट इन डिजाइन, बिकॉज आई नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ साड़ीज कम टू मी फॉर मैचिंग. तो हमने थान बनवाना शुरू किया. जब फैब्रिक बन के आया, डिजाइन अलग अलग वीविंग सेंटर से, माई कस्टमर्स लव द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ समथिंग unusual in color combinations, unusual in designs, and they started buying them as saris. I said, ma'am, pallu nahi hai isme, parwa nahi, humko chal jayega, we'll do something, but the color combination was unusual. And this 99, 2000 was such a time when hand woven was at its lowest level. These chiffons, georgettes, embroideries was the in thing. Weavers did not have any direction, did not have any design थियरी कि हम क्या नया बनाए जो हमसे खरीद सके लोग. ये फैसिनेशन ऑफ क्रिएटिंग माई ओन डिजाइंस वॉज देयर, एंड दिस गेव मी अ पुश. एंड पहला गांव पहुंच गया मैं, उपाड़ा, काकीनाडा, आंध्र प्रदेश. आई मेट द वीवर. आई सेड आई वुड लाइक टू गिव डिजाइन्स एंड वीव. मेरे डिजाइन आप बनाइए. ही सेड, सर, अगर आपको डिजाइन देना है आपको पहले सीखना पड़ेगा हाउ टू गिव द डिजाइन्स टू अस. किस तरीके का ड्राइंग चाहिए, आपको वीविंग सीखना पड़ेगा, आपको हमारे रेस्ट्रिक्शंस क्या है वो मालूम करना पड़ेगा. सो आई स्टेड देयर इन द विलेज, लर्न द होल प्रोसेस फ्रॉम द ड्राइंग टिल द वीविंग स्टेज, एंड केम बैक एंड स्टार्टेड imagining, started thinking of the designs and drawing and giving them to the weavers. Within a year, my first piece started coming in. And it was so different than what these regularly they used to make. It was something very unusual. I changed the total texture of the Upada weave, the Upada textile, the base fabric what they used to weave. I changed the color theory. I modernized the design. Contemporarized जो बोलते हैं. They were weaving the traditional small motifs, जैसा parrot हो, peacock हो, छोटी छोटी बूटी हो, छोटी border हो. I turned them into totally a new design dialogue. 2005-6, I was known all over India now. Even I wanted to grow. I started supplying to other sari stores in India. I wanted to become more famous कि चलो मेरी साड़ी अभी टॉप इंडिया के जो स्टोर्स है सबसे बिकनी चाहिए. I started supplying to stores. 2007, 2008, I had my own store where I used to sell saris. And then the recession of 2008 came in and everything went down, zero. To the stores where I supplied, they couldn't pay because there was no business. I couldn't pay the weavers. Weavers left me. They started selling my designs, my saris to other people outside. And that was a down period. But within no time, my fabric store supported me a lot. And within no time, I was back in the game, started setting up new looms. Now this time what I did was, last time जब पहले काम करता था, वीवर के घर घर पे लूम रखते थे हम. मेरा कॉपी भी बहुत होता था. I used to get copied very badly. Those people who didn't work for me. So now this time what I did is, in each and every village, I created a facility where all the looms are together. Weavers come to this facility in the morning, till evening they weave and then go back. I wanted to now open my stores all over India, where I can sell only pure hand-woven, handcrafted textiles. And by this time, there was this fashion week growing in. इंडिया में नया नया चलने लगा फैशन वीक, नए डिजाइनर्स आने लगे जो फैशन वीक करते थे. सो कस्टमर्स के माइंड में ये था कि हमको अभी डिजाइनर साड़ी चाहिए, हमको इससे लेना है जो फैशन वीक में दिखाता हो. तो हम भी सोचे चलो, इवन आई वांट टू बिकम अ डिजाइनर नाउ. आई वांट दैट टैग. दैट वाज 2012 समर. I showed a collection of 10 garments, beautiful white garments, jamdanis from Srikakulam and Banaras, khadis and organzas. And from that day, there was no looking back. 2012 winter collection, Lakme gave me the best designer award. I was one of the first designers who put sari on the ramp, a hand woven sari without any embroidery or anything, no western cuts. So each season of Lakme, I have done a story, either the story of weave, story of color, a story of design. And last season was my 20th season in last 10 years. Over 10, 12 years, I have done more than 120 shows, shown worldwide. And believe me, these fashion shows are the best way of marketing, showing to the world what you are creating, what your work is. Basically, in any jamdani loom, there is nothing. There are just two sticks. You have a warp, you have a weft. And the extra weft, what they put for the design, is the jamdani technique. Paithan and Kashmir, both are the most difficult forms of jamdani. In Paithan, we have a whole drawing paper. Any length you want, you draw. Here we have only the warp and the extra weft. We don't have a weft here. So the base of the plain fabric also, what you see, is jamdani. In Kashmir, a graph is created according to the length of the design what we need. And for every 5 centimeter, a talim is created, in which it is written how many threads you need to lift, which color of the tilli to put for the next 5 centimeters. That is a reference point for the weaver. In 1 inch, there are 80 threads on an average for a sari. In 48 inches, there are about 4,500 threads. I'll take a weaver from Paithan, put him with a weaver in Banaras. So the base of the sari will be the Banarsi Jamdani, the border and the palla will be the Paithani Jamdani, which are two different weave techniques. Look technique, I'm saying. There is another weave technique called Ikat, which is followed in Gujarat, Patan Patola, Orissa, the finest of single and double Ikat also they do, and our Telangana state, where I am from. How do you work with weavers? Don't you find resistance when you start working with them? Which most of the designers find when you go to any weaver कि हमको आपसे काम करना है, हमको ये चेंज करना है, हमको नया डिजाइन देना है, the weavers will resist. That's also happens with me. When I go to any new weaver sector, what I do is first I start buying from them. जो वो बनाते हैं हम उसी को खरीदते हैं. एक कॉन्फिडेंस लाने के लिए कि गौरंग आता है, खरीदता है, कंटिन्यूस काम हमसे ले रहा है, हम जो बना रहे हैं वो ले रहा है. देन धीरे धीरे ओवर अ ईयर और सो थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस उसको आ जाता है. आई से डिजाइन यही रखो, हम कलर चेंज कर देते हैं थोड़ा बहुत, बिकॉज आई गेट कस्टमर्स रिपीटेडली जिसको नया लेना है, तब हम उसको कॉन्फिडेंस में लाते हैं कि हम कलर चेंज कर देते हैं. दिस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ पाटन पटोला आई एम सेइंग नाउ. व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग इन पाटन, देयर वाज लॉट्स ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस कि सर हम डिजाइन ना चेंज करेंगे ना कलर चेंज करेंगे. 2-3 साल लग गए मुझे. आई जस्ट यूज्ड टू बाय फ्रॉम देम कि जो वो बनाते हैं बस वही खरीदते जाओ. देन स्लोली आई एक्सप्लेन टू देम, देख भाई, कस्टमर आता है ना, उनको कुछ नया चाहिए, हमेशा वही लाल, वही पीला, वही ग्रीन नहीं चलेगा. We need something little fancier also. So he said, sir, okay, डिजाइन हम यही रखते हैं, कलर आप हमको नया दे दीजिए. बट देर इज वन मोर, यहां पे ये प्रॉब्लम आता है कि दे डोंट नो हाउ टू मिक्स द न्यू कलर्स. They don't have the source to buy the new colors. So I source the colors for them from another sector. I fly them to one more village to learn about the mixing of the new colors. एंड उस तरीके से हम डिजाइन वही न्यू कलर इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिए. चलो 1-2 साल उसमें भी लग गया. देन आई गो बैक टू देम एंड टेल देम, सी माय कस्टमर्स आर कमिंग बैक टू मी सेइंग हमको अभी नया डिजाइन चाहिए. आई कांट कीप सेलिंग द सेम डिजाइन इवन दो वी हैव चेंज द कलर. नाउ दे आर रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट कि चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ न्यू डिजाइन. इवन दे अंडरस्टैंड कि यही डिजाइन कितने दिन बिकने वाला है. एंड देन दे आर रेडी टू चेंज slowly. So this whole process for Patan, where I started working in 2009, took 5 years for me. The whole process of changing from their traditional designs to my new designs. One project I worked on was recreating Raja Ravi Verma saris in weaving. How intricate they are, their facial expressions, their folds of the garments, the intricacy in the whole background. We started this project in 2014. We showed this on 2019, 2nd October on Gandhiji's 150th birth anniversary in Bombay Museum. So we had this 5 years to complete this project where we had to recreate 54 paintings of Ravi Verma's in the weave. Using natural dyes, using finest of khadi and the Jamdani weave technique. And when we displayed these saris at the museum, wherever I have displayed, we have displayed with the original lithographs for people to compare कि कहां पे difference है क्या कहीं पे. And believe me, so many have come and told us that painting से ज्यादा अच्छा है ये. आप पेंटिंग करते हो, you paint. Any artist will paint. If he doesn't like, he can overpaint. He doesn't like the color, उसको फिर से रीपेंट कर देगा. यहां मैंने जामदानी तिल्ली चढ़ा दी है, लेफ्ट मार दिया है, आई कांट अनडू इट. हस्बैंड वाइफ है सपोज, उनका जो थॉट प्रोसेस है, दे पुट इट इन दिस वीविंग. मे बी दे आर एंग्री विथ ईच अदर टुडे. वाइफ इज एंग्री विद द हस्बैंड टुडे. वीविंग टाइट रहेगा आज वेफ्ट, आज दोनों हैप्पी हैं, अच्छा रहेगा. यू कैन फील दैट इन द साड़ी. एंड दैट इज व्हाट हैंडलूम इज नोन अबाउट. द वीवर पुट्स इट्स लाइफ, हिज स्टोरी, हिज इमोशन, हिज लाफ्टर, हिज जॉय in that one textile piece they are weaving. That's why any hand woven sari you see, any hand woven sari, there are slight कहीं ना कहीं कुछ mistake होगा, कहीं slub निकला होगा, कहीं धागा निकल जाएगा. But that's the beauty of handloom. So at every stage, it's all hand. It's all emotion. Just now someone asked me one more question. Sir, how do you follow the trend? I don't follow trends. I create my trend. Because I was not getting that idea कि last time जो मैंने सिंदूर किया था उसके next में क्या कर सकता हूं मैं. I took a break, 1 year break. And I'm ready for my next show in March. One Lakme show I was prepared. It was in February and December I was prepared. These are the clothes I'm going to make. This is my music and this is my setup. The clothes got ready. But somewhere I had that 1% of doubt. Something is not right here. I scrapped that thing and I did another collection within 30 days. A whole collection which was just white on white. My weavers, my printers, embroidery, my team, everyone discouraged me. Sir, white on white दिखने वाला क्या है ramp पे? And over that, no music. I got a poet to recite poetry when the models were walking. That's it. My show director, everyone said, अरे लोग बोर हो जाएंगे गौरंग सो जाएंगे 20 मिनट पोइट्री चल रही है और मॉडल चल रहे कोई म्यूजिक नहीं है कुछ धमाका नहीं है. Believe me, once the show got over, this was I think 2017, the show got over, people had tears in their eyes. My show director comes running backstage, hugs me and said, never in my life I have seen a show like this. As I said, I imagine, I dream. If someone comes and says, Gaurang, I need one shade of darker red and one shade of lighter this thing and border should be like this, I said, sorry, I'm not doing it. This is my dream, my execution. You would like to buy, take this or no. I'm not going to change anything. Thank you.